Start करो मीतू.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. We are fine.
Okay, so today we are going to move forward to the topic which I have learned, which is integers. So let me share the screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to show you some examples. You have to tell me what are these. Okay. So what is this? What this meter, this 1025 and minus 155 indicates? Can anyone tell me? It's easy. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can anyone tell me what this 1025 and minus 155 indicates?
Ma'am, is it the temperature?
No, it's the distance from the water level. See, before above the sea level, below the sea level. See, this is minus 155 is what distance of this up below the sea level and above the sea level. Okay, so this 1025 meter, it is it's showing the height of this hill above the sea level and this height of this hill below the sea level, which is minus 155. Okay, so the next one, what is this? What is it? Why we use this? Or what does it show?
To check temperature.
Yes, temperature. Yes, when there is a sunny or there is a heat or there is a summer, the temperature is high, right? Which is in a positive, which is 24 or 36 degrees Celsius, right? And when we are in a winter or when we go to Kashmir or any place where there is ice, so what will be what is the temperature in the place of Kashmir, or you can say where the ice is?
Minus degree.
Yes, it's in a negative, right? The temperature in a place where there is a ice is always in a negative degree, and when we are in a summer, the temperature is in positive, right? Positive degree Celsius, that is 34 or 36 or even 40 also. Okay, so the next one is, see, this is the mall where there is a floor above the ground also and below the ground also, right? So here ground is the main level of this mall, and the floors which are Chinese food or any shopping center or anything which are above the ground, we write it as first ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, right? We
Yes, ma'am.
and the below the ground are underground. We call it as underground floor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this toy shop, video game shop, or gym is below the ground. So when we want to count in the form of integers, we term this as minus one floor, minus two floor, or minus three floor, right? This is how we use integers in our real life, right? For the for calculating distance of anything above the ground or below the ground, we use integers. Okay, so now tell me the definition of integers. What are integers? Give me rough definition. Anyone? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
So Mithu, can you tell what are integers? What does that integers include? Which kind of number are there in integer? Am I audible?
अरे आंसर करो.
Yes.
It's a whole number.
Yeah, whole number, but yes, whole number also. But again, what you have done this in your previous lecture only.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it means the positive or negative number, like whole number.
Yes,
And
yes. The whole number does not include negative numbers. You can only say positive numbers, negative numbers also. Okay, so I will tell you the definition. Positive number, zero, negative number together form a group of number called integers. So integer include positive number, negative number, and zero. For zero is the point which decide from which side we have to go. So the visual representation of integers is what? On a number line, we can say this zero. Zero is neither positive nor negative. We all know that. So from the left side, there are positive integers which are 1, 2, and so on. There are infinite positive integers. And on right hand side, there are negative integers which are also infinite. So this is the visual representation of integers on number line. Okay, have you understood this? Have you recalled what you have studied in previous lecture? Always revise the topic, okay, after going to home, so that you can remember what you have learned in your previous lectures. Okay, so this is the visual representation of integers. Till this you are clear, right? What are integers, how it represents on a number line. Okay, so now what we are going to learn is addition of integers. So what is addition? We have learned addition of whole numbers, addition of natural numbers. So today we are going to learn addition of integers. How to add negative numbers, how to add positive numbers is, we know that how to add positive numbers, but how to add negative number to positive numbers, today we are going to learn about that only. Okay, are we good to go, or anyone have any doubts till the for this introduction or integers part?
no, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, so we will go move towards the addition of integers. So you have learned the addition of positive numbers because we have learning it from our previous standard. Like our first standard also we are learning it. What is 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, right? So 2 plus 3 is 5. That we all know, right? So this is called the positive number, addition of positive numbers. So we know how to add positive numbers. But what if there is two negative numbers? This two negative numbers. See, what are the numbers are here? -2 and -3. Similar to this, but it has sign, negative sign. Okay. So what are we going to do when we want to add these two negative numbers? So there is a way to add this negative number or positive integers or negative integers. So the rule is when we add integers with same sign. So see, these integers have the same sign, that is negative, and this is positive. We add the values. What we do when we want to add two negative numbers or two positive numbers, we just add them and we assign the sign which is given to the number. So see, in the first example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Both are positive numbers, right? So that's why we have added them, and we have given the number sign. So both number have positive sign, so we have given the answer a positive sign. So same rule will apply in this negative also. We will add the numbers. What we are going to do, we are going to add the numbers and keep negative sign uh, to the outside of the bracket, so that we can simply add the number. So what is 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so 3 plus 2 is 5. And what is the sign given to the numbers? It's negative. So by according to rule, we add the numbers and give the sign which assigned to the numbers. So here the numbers are numbers have negative sign. So our answer will also have negative sign, which is minus. So our answer is -5. So see, addition of two integers which have same sign is easy. Just we have to just add the numbers and give the sign which are assigned to the numbers. So we will see it in a more pictorial way for you to understand. So see, this is the picture. So there is a boy who is doing two positive works. So what is he doing? He is helping an old woman to cross the road, and he is planting the tree, right? So what are we going? What is he doing? He's doing positive work, right? So the result, the two positive works is going to give him a positive result, right? So when we help the old lady, he's going to get blessing from her. When he's going to plant the tree, he's going to get fruits from the tree or shade from the tree. So what the outcomes are going to be a positive. He's going to get praise for that. The people will say he's a very good person. So these are the positive outcomes he are going to get when he does a positive work, right? When we do a positive work, we will get a positive outcome, right? The next example we will see. So this is a boy. He what is he doing? He's bullying his friend, right? He's bullying. And what is he doing? The next boy, can anyone tell?
He's pulling the cat.
Yes, he's also bullying the cat. He's bullying his friends. Or so what he's going to get? He's going to get punishment from his parents, right? Because what he's doing? He's doing a negative work, which is not good for him. So in return, he also going to get a punishment only. Huh. He will not get any kind of gift or any kind of praise for bullying others. Bullying is a bad work, right? So same case, two negative will give negative. When we do a bad work or any kind of bad thing, we are going to get a bad result, bad outcome of it, right? When there is a thief uh, who robs the bank or anything, he goes to jail, right? He doesn't go to any other place, right? Any good place. He goes to jail only. So same is in case of this negatives. When we do a negative works, we get a negative result, and when we do a positive work, we get a positive result. So have you understood this addition of integers with same sign? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So this that was about addition of integer with same sign. Now if we want to add two numbers with different sign, that means if one number have negative sign and other have positive sign, then how will we going to add? So now we will see. So see, if we want to add positive number to negative number, and the second one is if we want to add negative number to a positive number. So what is going to come? Now we are going to show. So result rule is when we add two integers with different signs. See, the integers have a different sign. We subtract the values. What we do? We subtract the values and give the bigger number sign of the answer. So see, in previous rule, what we have done, with same sign we added the values, but here the values have different signs. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract the values and give the sign of the number which is the bigger. So I will show you this example how to solve this. So we will move to the first one, which is 5 plus -3. So we have to add 5 and this -3. So what are we going to do? We are going to just subtract the values. So subtract 5 minus 3 is what?
2.
2. Just we will get 2. And what is the sign of the bigger number?
Plus.
Plus. So what the rules say, when we add two integers with different sign, we subtract the values and give the bigger number sign to the answer. So the here bigger number sign is positive. So answer will also have a positive sign, which is +2 or only 2. Okay. So the next one is -5 plus 3. Means we have to add -5 and +3. So same rule, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract this integers. So subtraction is 5 minus 3 will get 2 only, right? After subtracting 5 from 3, we will get 2 only. So what will be the sign of this integers? So what is the bigger number here?
5.
5. And what is its sign?
Negative.
Negative. So our answer will also have a bigger number sign, that is negative sign. So see, our answer will have negative sign, which is -2. So when we add integers with different sign, what we do? We subtract them, okay, and give the bigger number sign to the answer. Okay, understood this? How to subtract the integers with different sign? Any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Fine. So we will see the pictorial representation of this in our real life also. See, this is the positive and this is negative will give positive. What is saying? If we are doing our mother's help regularly means we are doing it regularly or in more level. So this is the positive. We are doing the positive work more, right? We are helping our mother daily. So that's a positive work, and we are doing it daily. But by chance, by mistakenly, on one day, because of us, some invaluable thing in our house or something in our house gets broken. So that's is the least negative work, right? We have not doing it purposely, we are doing it, it's done by accident, right? So this is the less negative work and we are doing more positive work, so our outcome will also get positive, because the negative sign here will get neglected, our work, negative work get neglected. Why? Because we have done a more positive work, and this happens because we have accidentally, right? This happens accidentally, we haven't done uh, हमने जानबूझ के किया है क्या ये, राइट? हमने हमने किसी चीज को ऐसे ही गिरा देते हैं क्या हम? It happens by accident, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When you play, some things happen accidentally. We don't हमने जानबूझ के नहीं करते, right? So that's why this picture what represent when we do a more positive work. So and when there is a less, means there are negligible negative work from our side, then we get a positive result, right? Our mom will scold us for 2 minutes and then she will say, okay, it happened by accident, so don't worry, okay? So but next day we are going to help her regularly, right? So ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ? Anything have?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So sometimes our mother neglect our negative work, right? When we go,
Yes.
but we do positive work in return of that, right? Lot of positive work.
Yes.
This is the case of integers also. When there is a bigger positive sign and smaller negative sign, the outcome will be a positive. So the next is, now see, we are fighting with our friends, right? Or our siblings. Regularly we are doing it. Or in our schools also, in recess, we are fighting with our friends. Is it a good word? No, right? We are fighting with our friends. We are bullying them for no reasons. We are doing it regularly. We are bullying our friends regularly, which is not a good work, right? Which is negative work. And if there is a function, our teacher said, I will give you a prize if you do recycling of these bottles, or if you put this garbage can in garbage truck. So we are doing it to get something in return, right? We are doing positive work to get something in return, right? But we are doing negative works more without any reason. But for doing positive work, we are expecting something from return, which is not good, right? Expecting something in return, right? We should do our work, our good work, without expecting anything, so that we can get a positive result. But here the boy is expecting something from his teacher, so which is not good, right? Here he is bullying his friends irregularly, uh, and here, and in this picture, what is he doing? He's doing one good work only. For what? For expecting, for getting some prize from teacher, which is not good. So in this case, the negative works is more, negative works get heavier on this positive work, so we get negative outcome only. Okay, so if teacher gets to know about your bullying, what you are doing to your classmate, your friend, so he will neglect your positive work. He will only focus on your negative work and will give you punishment for that, right? So in case of integers also, if there is a negative number which has a more if there is a number which have a negative sign, and there is a positive smaller positive number, then our outcome will also negative only. Okay, so have you understood? Any doubt?
No doubts, ma'am.
So this is for today. So this is the table. So please note down this table so you can understand what should you do in the case of this number. So this is the rules only. Just I have represented in a tabular form. So what is it? When there is a two positive number, we will add. What operation do? We add the numbers and the sign will always be positive. In if there is a bigger positive number and smaller negative number, then we subtract. Operation we do is subtraction, and we give the sign of positive number to it. If we if there is a positive, smaller positive number and bigger negative number, then what we do? We subtract it and we give the negative sign of it. Okay. And if there are two negative numbers, so what we do? We add the numbers and give the negative sign of it. Okay. Have you noted down this table in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt till this?
No, ma'am.
So now you can solve the question about this addition of integers, right? So the questions are this, and give me the answer. Huh? Note down in your book and give me the answer. So what will be the answer of the first one? 8 plus 6?
14.
14. And what will be the second one? 9 plus minus 3, mean addition of one positive and one negative number?
6.
6, and the sign will be positive. And the next one is minus 7 added to 2.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. And the next one is minus 5 plus minus 2.
Minus 7.
Minus 7. Very good. See, now you have understood this topic. Okay. So in next lecture, we are going forward with the subtraction of these integers. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
homework problem. Note down in your book. And tell me when you note down.
Done.
Done. So this is it for today. Topic addition. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we will
Thank you, Mitali.
stop here.
लेसन चालू आहे. थँक्यू.